Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of s from this given beautiful math problem. 32 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 81. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 32 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 81. Now note that 32 is equal to 2 raised to power 5, and then 81 is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 81. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power nm. Then we have 2 raised to power 5 times s. 5x minus 5 times 1, 5 is equal to 81, can be written as 3 raised to power 4. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 2 raised to power 5s minus 5 is equal to log 3 raised to power 4. Then this is 5s minus 5 log 2 is equal to 4 log 3. Let's open the bracket here. 5s multiplied by log 2, this is 5s log 2 minus 5 multiplied by log 2, 5 log 2. This is equal to 4 log 3. Now we have 5s log 2 is equal to 4 log 3 plus 5 log 2. This is same thing as s bracket 5 log 2 is equal to 4 log 3 plus 5 log 2. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 5 log 2. This divided by 5 log 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 4 log 3. If you split this over 5 log 2 plus 5 log 2 over 5 log 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 4 log 3 over 5 log 2 plus 1. S is equal to, we have 4 over 5 log 3 base 2 plus 1. You may leave your answer in this form, or if you want to use calculator, S will be equal to 4 log 3 is 1.9085 over 5 log 2. This is 1.5051 plus 1. S is equal to 1.9085 divided by 1.5051. This is 1.2680 plus 1. Then S is equal to 2.2680. This is the value of S. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 32 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 81. And this is 32 raised to power 2.2680 minus 1 must be equal to 81. Then this is 32 raised to power 2.2680 minus 1, that is 1.2680 must be equal to 81. Then 32 raised to power 1.2680, this is 81, is equal to 81, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.